already did my eye makeup, and this is what it looks like. It's basically just like a gold smoky eye. If you guys want a tutorial on it, let me know and I can film that for you guys. But in this video, I'm basically just going to be showing you guys the skull part of the tutorial. I got the Wet n Wild paint pot in white, and I'm going to start off this tutorial already, but just to let you guys know, I am going to be referencing Chrisspy's skull look. I think it's one of like the first ones she did, where it's just obviously just half her face. I'm gonna link her video down below so you guys know what I'm talking about, but I'm obviously gonna like change it up a bit. So I'm gonna take my paint pot, and then this is the same brush I used in the last video. Actually, it's not. This is the one I used. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. This is a Morphe. It came in like the gunmetal collection, I think it was called, a long time ago, but I'm sure they have something similar. It's just like a really dense foundation brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of the white, and I stopped my foundation underneath my nose, so I don't have anything on in this portion of my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. Applying the white to my face, and so at first I was using this foundation brush, but then I kind of noticed it was a little streaky, so I went in with this Real Techniques sponge and just kind of pressed the product into my face. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with the black paint pot, and I'm going to use this Morphe M213 brush to start drawing the hollowness of the skull. I have like the basic outline kind of, so like right in here is where the teeth are gonna go. I'm gonna start at the edge of my mouth and just draw a line, or let's see, yeah, draw a line connecting it to this point from the outer corner in. Go ahead and like create the spaces needed for each tooth. So I'm just going to be drawing like lines all the way until I get to this point. If I actually blend it out with eyeshadow instead. So just to not have the lines being too harsh, I'm just going to start blending the edges a little bit, but I think I'm going to focus the blending more so with eyeshadow. To eyeshadow instead, and I'm going to take this Morphe E36. It's a really small pointed brush, and taking some black eyeshadow, and now I'm going to shade in the inside of each tooth. The shape of each tooth is kind of like a teardrop, so it's going to be a little bit wider towards the bottom, and then just try to make it a little bit skinnier towards the top. to take an eyeliner just to make like the lines a little bit more defined, especially on the outline of the whole thing. I'm for sure probably going to add foundation, like remove this and add foundation. Actually, I should probably do that first. I'm gonna do that first real quick, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I do with the eyeliner. Pretty much all over. This one came out a little too thick, so what I'm thinking is I'm going to take black eyeshadow and just kind of like hollow it out just to look like a shadow instead. And I also added obviously eyeliner in between like each of the teeth, but I'm going to add some black eyeshadow in the middle of my lips. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the bling or the grills, and I went ahead and bought these little jewels from Michael's, and they're pretty cheap. I think each of these little pages was like $3. I bought 3. I don't know how many I'm gonna be using. You pull these from the actual slip. Make sure you don't pull off the adhesive as well. I don't know if you can see for those first 2 that I tried that didn't work out, the adhesive stayed on the little clear paper. So when you're pulling it, don't like yank it off because you'll pull the adhesive as well. So these actually stuck on. So I'm going to continue to do that for the rest of the teeth. So basically, to make sure that they keep the adhesive, when I was yanking them off to begin with, I was just like pulling them off the actual slip. What you have to do is just get a grip on them with the tweezers and then just kind of like slide them off, if that makes sense. Because if you just like pull it, you're gonna leave the adhesive on the slip. I forgot to film, but I decided to draw like a old English N on the side of my face. I think I kind of want to add some like face tats, so I'm gonna start with this, and then I don't know, I might add more. So we'll see where this goes.
JHC Beats.
You guys, so I'm done with the tutorial, and so I went ahead and did my hair. I laid my edges as best as I could because the edge control I have doesn't really work too well, and then I just did these little cute little pigtails. I didn't know I wanted to have my hair down, but I also wanted you guys to see like how like I laid my edges, so I just did these little pigtails and I curled my hair, and then I'm wearing this leather jacket. I think that it like goes with like the look. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it, and again, if you guys recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram and let me know what other videos you guys want me to do. You guys asked for a skull, so this is my version of a skull. And then I did a devil before this, and I'll link that video down below. So if you guys have other videos you want me to do, let me know, because I've been really having fun with these videos. So let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video.